Hello, have you filled a bucket today?
Yes.
How?
We were playing tag, and then one of my friends fell, and I helped her get up.
That was very nice of you, and thank you for getting interviewed. Hello, have you filled a bucket today?
No.
What are you doing for the holidays?
María, buenos días. ¿Me mandas por favor a
Right now,
Valley High School is located in 1801 Greenville Street in Santa Ana. How do you?
For the holiday season, try to fill a bucket by not giving them... Hello, have you filled your bucket today? Or at least someone's bucket?
Is life supposed to be like this?
Are you ready? Wait. Okay, 1, 2.
Good morning, Hoover. My name is Valeria. This is the last episode of the month December. Next year, 2020, a beginning of a new decade. Let's try to make the last few school days. Good morning, Hoover. My name is Valeria. This is the last episode of the month December.
No, I saw you. I started.